Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Let's start our programming journey with HTML. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is not a programming language. It is used for making the front structure of a site. The latest HTML is HTML5. We all know that a website has two parts, front and backend. For front development, we use HTML and CSS. And for backend development, we use various types of programming languages like JavaScript, C, C++, Python, Kotlin, SQL, and various types of. Let's visit a site. Okay, here we have headings, paragraph, images, links. So actually HTML is used to add text, link, images and videos to our site. So if we want to make a structure, first we have to learn HTML. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn basics to pro HTML language. If you want to be a professional web designer, you have to practice coding every day. If you need help with anything about coding, you can keep in contact with us. In this video description, have our Facebook page link. Join with this page and share your problems. We will help to solve your problems.